To add a new state, you need to click on the Add State button. A form will appear where you can enter the necessary state-related details that align with your school's location. For better system organization, provide a short name or abbreviation for the state. Once you've entered the details, click on the Save button. A dialog box will appear for data entry confirmation. The state entry is now successfully saved in your school's database. You can also view the list of all previously added states. If you need to make changes, simply click on the Edit button in the Actions section. Update the details and click Update to save your changes. You can also delete unwanted entries from your system by clicking Delete button. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm your action, and the selected state entry will be permanently deleted from the system. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. For quick access to specific records, simply use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.